Hi, this is Tina with osnapletsEat.com. Check out this delicious chicken green bean stir fry. It is super easy to make and delicious too. First, we're going to marinate the chicken. Combine the chicken with 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, a 1/4 cup of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 2 teaspoons of sugar or honey, and 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar. And let that marinate for about half an hour at least. When you're ready to cook, add some cooking oil to a cooking pan or wok on medium-high. And when it is heated, add roughly chopped garlic and cook for about a minute. Add in the chicken along with the marinade sauce and stir fry everything for about 2 minutes or until the chicken is slightly brown. Then remove from heat and set aside. If your pan is a little too dry, you can go ahead and add a little more cooking oil. Then add the green beans and stir fry for about a minute. Add a splash of chicken broth or water, and then cover with a lid for about 2 minutes. Uncover the pan and you'll see that the green beans are a vibrant green. Now add the chicken back into the pan. If you find it saucy enough already, then just salt to taste and stir fry until the chicken is cooked thoroughly. But if you prefer to have a saucier sauce, then add oyster sauce, salt to taste, and then stir fry everything until cooked thoroughly. Then remove from heat and serve. I recommend with some white rice. And that is how you cook chicken with green bean stir fry. Remember to subscribe for more delicious Asian recipes.